Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Netflix. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.